Today we have someone who represents India on the global stage, and she is Miss Earth India 2025.
On the final end, it's India!
She's somebody who's driven, she has a lot of poise, she has a lot of drive in her, she's young, she represents the new India. What has been the most difficult thing for reaching here? You know, one side karate and the other side this glamour world.
Yeah. So karate, I started only to gain strength and to cut off the bullying.
What had to happen for this Komal to come up?
Did not want people to assume that because my name is Komal, I am Komal.
Phrase or sentence or word you say to yourself when you say कि अभी नहीं होगा, and then how do you get up?
कि सब कुछ सही हो रहा है, गलत सिर्फ इसलिए लग रहा है क्योंकि तुम्हारे हिसाब से नहीं हो रहा है. This is something that really touched me. Everybody posting about me on social media. My name was all over the news.
You know, when you had the crown on your head, when did it actually hit you? What is the route to getting into all this? Don't you feel any risk in that कि मैं ये career बनाऊंगा?
Looks matter in some or the other place, I would say. People are very easy to judge you. See, exploitation is everywhere.
Immoral things happening or casting couch, and it's not easy. Do you think it still exists?
Casting couch is still real in today's day and time.
Welcome to A Day Forward with Vipin Suri. Today we have someone who represents India on the global stage. Her name is Komal Chaudhary and she is Miss Earth India 2025. And she recently represented us in Philippines as well at Miss Earth. Now, she's somebody who's driven. She has a lot of poise. She has a lot of drive in her. She's young. She represents the new India. And the conversation we are going to have with her is going to benefit you a lot. And it will also uncover her future plans if she wants to get into Bollywood or she wants to continue her karate practice or she's a nutritionist as well. So a multifaceted person. Her journey is very interesting. How her father played a very important and critical role, unlike a lot of men who think it's a man's world in her life. So let's welcome Komal.
Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you.
Komal, thank you so much. Now, first question, you know, when you had the crown on your head, when did it actually hit you?
Actually, it took me 2 weeks to digest the fact that I have won the title because being a Miss India has been my childhood dream. Since 8th standard, I guess I wanted to have the crown represent my country internationally, but I never knew the path. कि जाना कहाँ से है? What are the steps I have to take? So after I won the title of Miss Earth India, the preparations already started for the international platform. And because I was so busy in the preparation, I never really sat down and thought about what I have already achieved. So I guess in between the preparations, I took a day off. I was doing absolutely nothing that day. And I just wanted to sit down with myself and think of how far I have come. So when I sat down, I was looking at everybody posting about me on social media. My name was all over the news. My parents were appreciating me. The community was very happy. So that's when I realized that this is something that I have always been wanted to achieve since childhood. And seeing the response that I received from my community, it made me really happy. So, yeah.
Yeah. Tell me one thing, 8th standard you're saying, so you're 12 years or something. So,
Yeah, 30.
so did your passion or your dream to be Miss India started first, or you're taking on karate started first?
Actually, karate started first.
Okay.
Because I would say as a child, I was bullied a bit because I was very skinny. And because my name is Komal, people presumed I was soft.
You were soft.
Good. Yes.
You were Komal.
I was, to be honest, because I never did any sports and my diet was pretty bad when I was in school. So I did not have the strength. And karate was something that was being taught after school. After our school hours, there were karate classes. So it took me 2 years to convince my parents to get me enrolled for karate because they thought that I might get hurt, something might happen. So then the idea of joining karate, it came when I was around in 4th standard. And when I was in 6th, my parents were convinced that we should let her pursue this thing because she's really passionate about joining karate. So I enrolled myself in karate. It took me 4 years to become a black belt. And now it's been 6 years that I have been teaching students, and now 2 of my students are black belt as well.
Wow, that is really great. Now, who played the vital role? You said something about your father playing. Unka kuch sapna tha that you look like Katrina Kaif.
Yeah. So when I was a child, Preeti Zinta and Katrina Kaif were my favorite actresses. So I used to watch their movies. I wanted to look like them. I wanted to get ready like them. The makeup, the hair, the dress, all of them. It really inspired me, and I wanted to get into the industry because of them. And my father is also passionate about acting, I would say. He is passionate about acting and cricket both. But then because of family responsibilities, he couldn't pursue either. So then he used to call me by their names, that one morning he would wake up and say, my Preeti Zinta is woken up. The other morning, when I would dress up, he would say that my Katrina Kaif looks really pretty.
Was this just to, जैसे बच्चों को प्यार करने के तरीके से बोलते हैं, और he actually meant that आपको ये करना है?
He actually wanted me to do this, but then acting, modeling, this is something girls from our community don't pursue. When I got into the industry, it took my family a bit time to adjust to it, because then the societal pressure comes in.
Father or mother?
Father. My mother has been really supportive since the very beginning. My father wanted me to do this, but then because of the societal pressure, here and there something comes in between. But then when I was doing shoots, my mom saw that whatever work she is doing is clean. There is nothing we have to worry about. So then she convinced my father that this is something you've wanted for her since childhood. So let's be with her, let's support her, and let her pursue what she wants to do.
But one side karate and the other side this glamour world. What's the connection? Like, that two varied worlds, right?
Yeah. So karate, I started only to gain strength.
To protect yourself.
Yes. And to cut off the bullying that I was facing in the school. I did not want people to assume that because my name is Komal, I am Komal. So karate was purely for that, to just erase the bullying. Glamour, I always loved makeup. So when we were kids, my elder sister, she used to have kajal with her, and I was not allowed because my mom used to say, you are too small for this, you should not do makeup and all of that. So before going to school, I used to get the kajal pencil out of a drawer. I used to get ready before school. I used to do a little bit of makeup here and there. So getting ready, proper hair and makeup, getting dressed up, I've always loved it since childhood. It made me feel really happy when I'm in proper makeup, in proper dress. So I feel the passion that my father had for acting, it somehow came down to me. And that's how I've always wanted to be in the glamour industry.
एक चीज बताओ कोमल, what is the route to getting into all this? It's not a, जैसे किसी को डॉक्टर बनना है उसको पता है रूट, इसका रूट क्या है?
So for acting, I am still figuring the way out, because मैंने शुरुआत की थी मॉडलिंग से. I always wanted to pursue Miss India, but मुझे पता नहीं था Miss India बनना कैसे है. तो मैंने मॉडलिंग से शुरुआत की. I started doing a few projects here and there. I connected with people जिनको थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया हो कि पैजेंट्री करना कैसे होता है. Then slowly I started coming in front of the camera. मुझे समझ में आने लगी चीज़ें कि कैमरा को फेस कैसे करना है, how to stand in front of the camera, how to smile in front of the camera. And throughout my journey, मेरे मॉडलिंग जर्नी में मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे mentors मिले जिन्होंने प्रॉपर गाइडेंस दिया मुझे that if you want to pursue Miss India, these are the steps. तो यहाँ ऑडिशन होता है, you have to get selected for the state title.
कुछ स्टेप्स बता दो ऑडियंस के लिए.
So सबसे बेसिक होता है you have to audition. नेशनल टाइटल के लिए ऑडिशन होता है. Then once you audition, आपका सिलेक्शन होता है, then you compete for the national title, which is Miss India. once you get the title of Miss India, then you represent India internationally on the international platform. So the basic is to get selected for the auditions, and then you compete with girls all over India to get the title of India.
What has been the most difficult thing for reaching here?
For me, it was communication.
Okay.
Because I have been a very shy girl since childhood. I feel somewhere when I was a child, my opinions were not really heard. So growing up, मुझ में वो confidence नहीं था कि मैं अपने opinions रख पाऊँ लोगों के सामने. I used to feel कि कहीं लोग shut down ना कर ले मुझे, कहीं लोग मुझे सुने ना. But then Miss India बनने का जो सपना था वो इतना strong था that I decided I will work against it and I will make sure that my communication is on point. तो ये preparation journey में एक चीज़ मुझे realize हुई that I should talk from my heart rather than to hear what other person is saying and trying to, copy that. तो throughout the journey एक ही चीज़ पे मैंने काम किया है, जो भी मैं बोलना चाह रही हूँ, it has to come from my heart. ना कि किसी और को जो सुनना है वो बस बताने के लिए मैंने बता दिया.
मेरा क्वेश्चन यही होने वाला था, because when we see from outside, when we see these beauty pageants, Miss India, Miss World, Miss Universe, ऐसे लगता है कि बहुत सारे राइट, जैसे मिस अर्थ में आप गए तो उसमें कहते हैं ब्यूटी विद रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी.
करेक्ट.
तो इट इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक कि राइट आंसर्स देने हैं. अब वो सच्ची में और आप बोल रहे हो मैं दिल से बोल रही थी, तो दिल से तो कई बार जरूरी नहीं है ना वो राइट आंसर निकले.
सो यहाँ पे डिपेंड करता है कि आप जो दिल से बोल रहे हो, मे बी जज 1 कनेक्ट ना कर पाए, जज 2 कनेक्ट ना कर पाए, बट somebody in the judging panel will connect, somebody in the audience will connect with what you are trying to say. Because हर किसी पर्सन के अपने अपने ओपिनियंस होते हैं, अपना थॉट प्रोसेस होता है, और हमारा थॉट प्रोसेस हर किसी के थॉट प्रोसेस से मैच नहीं होता है. सो इट रियली डिपेंड्स ऑन पर्सन टू पर्सन. यू हैव टू स्पीक योर हार्ट आउट एंड मे बी द राइट पर्सन विल कनेक्ट.
नाउ टेल मी वन थिंग. अब ऐसे लगता है कि जैसे जो एक टाइटल है उसका ना एक टेम्पलेट है, वो ऑलरेडी बना हुआ है. You have to be, firstly, you have to be slim, you have to be beautiful, you have to be tall.
Correct.
ये एक क्राइटेरिया बना हुआ है. तो डोंट यू थिंक ये थोड़ा सा इंक्लूसिविटी को बाहर रखता है?
See, I believe being beautiful, जो बाहर से आपको दिखता है beauty, that is the aspect of the glamour industry. Now, when you come into pageant, यहाँ पे your thoughts is something that matters the most. बिकॉज आप भले ही कितना भी सुंदर हो, बट अगर आप लोगों से कनेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हो, अगर आप अपना मैसेज लोगों तक नहीं पहुंचा पा रहे हो, देन देयर इज नो पॉइंट ऑफ यू बीइंग ऑल ग्लैमरस फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड.
तो आप व्हाटएवर पेजेंट्स यू बीन इनटू, आपको लगता है सारे ही जो कॉन्टेस्टेंट हैं, आपको कई बार ऐसे नहीं लगता होगा ये सच बोल रही है, झूठ बोल रही है, ये फेक कर रही है? टू
बी ऑनेस्ट दैट हैपेंस, यस. मोस्टली लड़कियों का ऑडिशन प्रोसेस में सबसे पहला स्क्रीनिंग जो हमारा होता है, दैट हैपेंस ऑन लुक्स. एंड देन द सेकेंड स्क्रीनिंग इज व्हेन यू गेट द माइक इन योर हैंड एंड यू स्पीक द इंट्रोडक्शन. तो काफ़ी लड़कियां सेकेंड स्क्रीनिंग में एक दूसरे को देख के इंटिमिडेट हो जाती है, एंड इट हैपेंस कि ये लड़की ने ये बोला है तो मैं भी ये बोलूँ, मे बी जज ने उसको इतना अपलोड किया है तो मुझे भी करेंगे. दिस हैपेंस, यस. बट देन आई वुड से मैंने भी ये चीज़ कहीं ना कहीं की है. आई डिड अ पैजेंट जहाँ पे एट सम पॉइंट आई डिड द सेम थिंग.
Copying someone.
Yes, because I wanted to get selected. So I tried to say what the other girl was saying, but then I would say karma instantly hit up and I fumbled. I could not answer because वो लड़की जो बोल रही है, मे बी वो अपने लाइफ के एक्सपीरियंसेस से वो बोल रही है. आई हैव नॉट लिव्ड दोज एक्सपीरियंसेस, तो मैं नहीं बोल पाई. एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई डिसाइडेड कि जो भी होगा मैं अपना लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस आई विल पुट फॉरवर्ड and I'll make sure that I'm not trying to copy someone else, because when I will be honest with myself, the honesty will be reciprocated from the other side.
Wow. You know, you just said that your biggest struggle was to overcome communication. But when I'm listening to you, your communication is pretty great. So what had to happen for this Komal to come out? Or I would say, what Komal had to die for this Komal to be having this kind of communication?
So the passion to get selected, to be called out as Miss India was so strong. I did a lot of communication classes. And my mentors always told me that your journey is very different from other girls that what we've heard till now. So sit down, write your journey, make sure that whatever experiences you have lived, write it down so that you'll remember those whenever you have to talk to different people. So then I started doing these simple exercises, and then I'm able to talk the way I talk today.
What is the different thing about your journey?
So the first thing is karate, I would say, because not every other girl who comes into pageants is also into sports. And I was also an instructor. So not only as an athlete, I was also a coach there. So this is something that really stood out. And the other thing was I am a very spiritual person. So I like to know about Indian culture. I like to visit temples. I like to know that what are our Indian roots. And जो बाहर की लड़कियां हैं, जो दूसरी contestants आई थी वहाँ पे, I guess ये सारी चीज़ों की वजह से I stood out amongst them.
Now, tell me one thing. Now, this world of Miss India, all these pageants, is full of controversy.
True.
You know, from the outside, some people say कि ये already rigged है, या bought है. Sometimes the girls over there are really exploited. It is everybody does not get an equal chance, and how much of it is accurate?
See, exploitation is everywhere. हर industry में कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ें होती है. But then as a person, if you know your boundaries, if you know your limits, then you have to be very sure that you don't cross these boundaries and you are very true to what your values are. Because these things, it happens everywhere. बाहर, not only in pageantry, if you go into sports, वहाँ पे भी exploitation होता है, वहाँ पे भी politics होता है. But if you are true to your journey and if you are honest to your hard work, the results will come out one day or the other.
And how bad is the competition? कितना competition है?
The competition is tough. I mean, to be called out as Miss India, हर लड़की का dream होता है. Because जब आप international platform पे जाते हो, वहाँ पे आपके नाम से लोग आपको नहीं बुलाते. It is Miss India. So when you hear the word India, people, when I went to Philippines, everybody there was cheering Miss India, Miss India. Nobody knew Miss Komal or Komal. Who is Komal? Nobody knew me. But then when I heard Miss India, and when people were crazy for India there, it made me really happy. And to live this experience is a dream of a lot of girls. Every girl wants to be called out as Miss India. So the competition is really tough. Girls prepare to be called out as Miss India for years.
Okay.
So they audition for 3 years straight, 4 years straight. So yeah, the competition is pretty tough.
What actually wins then?
I would say the honesty of the girl. When she speaks authentically, the judges receive it the same way. And I feel that is when the connection is built up. When you speak from your heart, I feel that is what makes the connection.
Yeah. Now, another kind of controversial question, especially you're representing Miss Earth India. There they say looks with responsibility, and they talk about sustainable world.
Correct.
Right? अब ये सस्टेनेबल वर्ल्ड के ऊपर एक्चुअली कुछ काम होता है या नहीं होता है?
It depends on person to person. अगर आप अपने advocacy को लेके 100% dedicated हो, only then this will be continued forward. तो मेरा ये journey में my advocacy was about millets. Okay. Because I'm a nutritionist, I wanted to take up a topic which also is connected to nutrition as well as the environment.
Okay.
And millets एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो इंडिया में शुरू से थी, before rice and wheat was introduced. And I would want to take millets globally and continue on my advocacy in future as well. So I am not stopping here. I am going to go forward.
कोमल, एक चीज़ बताओ, why did you choose nutrition as your advocacy?
So as I said, as a child I was bullied for being very skinny. बट मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये चीज़ को मैं ओवरकम कैसे करूँगी. नाउ बचपन में मैं मेरे नानी के साथ बहुत वक्त बिताती थी. तो जैसे ही स्कूल की छुट्टियाँ हो जाती थी, आई यूज्ड टू रन टू माई नानीज प्लेस और मैं वेकेशंस वहीं पे रहती थी. मैंने पूरा अपना स्कूल का टाइम टिल स्टैंडर्ड 8th और 9th मैंने दिवाली कभी अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ नहीं मनाई है. मैं हमेशा नानी के घर पे रहती थी. और मेरे नानी के साथ मैंने कभी भी चिप्स पे मंच करना या कोई जंक फूड पे मंच करना वो कभी किया ही नहीं था. मेरी नानी हमेशा मुझे इन बिटवीन द मील्स फ्रूट्स खा ले, ड्राई फ्रूट्स खा ले, ये चीज़ें हमेशा से सिखाती थी. और जब मैं वेकेशन पीरियड से घर आती थी तो यहाँ पे सिचुएशन वाज डिफरेंट. यहाँ पे माई डैड इज़ अ फूडी, माई दादी इज़ अ फूडी, माई एल्डर सिस्टर इज़ अ फूडी. तो ये सब जंक खाते थे यूजुअली, कभी ना कभी हियर एंड देयर जंक आ जाता था खाने में. एंड बिकॉज मैं मेरी नानी से वो चीज़ें सीख के आई हूँ तो मैं यहाँ पे आके फिर मेरे घर पे डांटती थी सबको कि आप जंक क्यों खा रहे हो, यू नो दिस इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ, यू शुड नॉट ईट दिस.
उल्टा होता है वैसे, नानी के घर ज़्यादा खाते हैं लोग जंक. और
बट माई नानी टॉट मी वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग्स. तो ये चीज़ के वजह से वो बचपन से ही था कि लोगों को सिखाना है व्हाट इज़ राइट टू ईट एंड व्हाट इज़ नॉट राइट टू ईट. बट मुझे तब लगता था कि ये सिर्फ बोलने वाली बातें हैं. टू मेक अ करियर आउट ऑफ दिस मुझे कभी पता नहीं था कि ऐसा भी कुछ न्यूट्रिशन सब्जेक्ट एग्जिस्ट करता है. एंड देन देयर वाज अ टेलीविजन सीरियल, आई डोंट रिमेंबर द नेम, बट उसमें जो लीड एक्ट्रेस थी शी वॉज अ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट.
okay.
एंड देन वो सीरियल को देख के देन आई थॉट ऑफ इट कि येस, जो मैं इतने सालों से घर पे बोल रही हूँ दिस इज़ व्हाट इज़ बीन शोन ऑन द टीवी. और ये चीज़ को परस्यू करके यू कैन हील अ लॉट ऑफ डिजीजेस. और काफ़ी डिजीजेस आप प्रिवेंट कर सकते हो जस्ट फ्रॉम योर फूड. सो दैट्स व्हेन आई डिसाइडेड कि आफ्टर माई स्कूल आई एम गोइंग टू फिनिश विथ माई 11th and 12th एंड आई एम गोइंग टू परस्यू न्यूट्रिशन एज अ सब्जेक्ट. बिकॉज मुझे हमेशा से ही था कि हॉस्पिटल में काम करना है. समवेयर आई वांटेड टू बी अ सर्जन. बट देन जब न्यूट्रिशन ये सब्जेक्ट सामने आया तब आई वाज लाइक लेट्स डू दिस, बिकॉज ये चीज़ से भी आप हॉस्पिटल में काम कर सकते हो एंड दिस इज़ डिफरेंट. MBBS हर कोई कर रहा था तभी. दिस वॉज अ वेरी न्यू सब्जेक्ट एंड आई अंडरस्टूड दैट अगर आप डाइट को कंट्रोल में ला सकते हो देन कहीं ना कहीं आप डॉक्टर के पास जाना प्रिवेंट कर रहे हो. सो दैट्स व्हेन आई डिसाइडेड दैट दिस इज द सब्जेक्ट दैट आई वांट टू गो अहेड विद.
So what is the connection between beauty and this sustainability or social responsibility? Why is it connected?
I believe when you see a beautiful person, you want to hear to what the other person is talking to.
Okay.
So I feel the person, when people hear you, they first look at the outside beauty and that's when they want to listen to you.
Okay.
So beauty pageants, they are a platform who give space to girls to stand there in front of the stage, to connect to a larger audience and to present their advocacy so that it can help some or the other people in some or the other community.
So the thought behind it is beautiful girls speaking about a cause will be more effective than maybe not so beautiful girl.
Yeah.
That's
because we
that's
live
in the background, right?
because we live in a world where looks matter in some or the other place, I would say. People are very easy to judge you. The way you look, the way you talk. We live in such a world in today's time. So I believe that this is my personal opinion, that if you are able to present yourself in a better way, if you look presentable, only then people will want to hear you.
Uh-huh. Okay. It is pleasing to the eye, so
Yes.
it's easy for you to be heard. Now, tell me one thing. What has changed? When Sushmita Sen, Aishwarya Rai, say 30 years back, when they became beauty pageants, and that was a big thing. They were
Yeah.
back to back in 2 years. And then Lara Datta. From those years, 30 years back, and now, what has changed?
So Sushmita Sen, as you said, she is an inspiration for all the pageant girls. Every other girl, they look up to Sushmita Sen. Everyone wants to be like Sushmita Sen, like Lara Datta, like Priyanka Chopra. Because these queens, they are inspiration for all of us. The way they communicate, the way they put up their thoughts, their opinions. It is very calm and yet very strong at the same time. Now, throughout the years, I feel that the desperation to get the title is increased rather than the work that you put behind it. So even if you don't have a life experience, you are trying to make up the life experience to get selected. So these things happen in pageants as well. When Sushmita Sen and Lara Datta, they came up, they spoke about their experiences. It was not a made-up story. But now the desperation kind of makes girls to talk something
Make
here
up,
and
make
there.
up stuff.
Yeah.
Just give an example, like what will somebody make up?
So if you have not done XYZ project with a big brand or something, and if girl A has done all of that and she's come here for the auditions, so girl B will try to compensate for that, and she would say that even I have done big shoots in my cities, I have hoardings all over my city. So, just to match up with what girl A is doing so that you don't look small in front of her.
Is it because, the future or getting into acting, whether Bollywood or other film industry down south or anybody, is it because the monies that has increased in that, that's why the competition?
I would say yes, because now everybody wants to get into the acting industry. And pageant is a way to get into it, but not everybody wants to pursue acting after you get a title. It is just a way that after you get a title, you get some recognition, and somewhere you can be connected with the entertainment industry as well. The money, I would say, yes, it has increased because the consumer rate has increased in the past years.
Okay.
Because of OTT platforms, because of the influencers
Everything
that
on
we
the
have
phone.
right now. Yes, everything is on social media right now. So because there are a lot of platforms available right now, I believe girls want to get into pageants and then maybe pursue acting or get into acting directly.
Okay. Now, some people still consider this, I would say, acting, beauty pageant as a unorthodox career, right? It's an unorthodox career choice. I believe, a lot of uncertainty. Okay, and you got to be on your toes. You can't take anything for granted. Don't you feel any risk in that? कि मैं ये career बना रही हूँ?
Honestly, no, because मुझे पता था कि मुझे मिस इंडिया क्यों बनना है. So as a child in my community, I have seen कि लड़का और लड़की में बहुत ऐसे डिफरेंस किया जा रहा है. लड़कों को अपॉर्चुनिटीज दिए जा रहे हैं टू परस्यू देयर करियर्स, बट लड़कियों को बोला जा रहा है कि 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक पढ़ाई कर लो, 12th तक पढ़ाई कर लो, एंड देन इवेंचुअली यू हैव टू गेट मैरिड. तो लड़कियों को हमेशा घर कैसे संभालना है उसका ट्रेनिंग दिया गया है, और
अभी भी ऐसा हो रहा है.
अभी भी हो रहा है, ट्रू. और लड़कों को हमेशा बोला गया है कि आपको जाके पैसा अर्न करना है, सो यू फोकस ऑन योर करियर. और ये चीज़ मुझे बचपन से बहुत खटकती थी, एंड दैट्स व्हेन मुझे बचपन से ही लगता था कि कुछ तो ऐसा करूँगी कि जिससे ये सिनेरियो मैं चेंज कर पाऊँ. एंड व्हेन आई गॉट इनटू मॉडलिंग आफ्टर आई वन द टाइटल ऑफ मिस अर्थ इंडिया, द पीपल इन माई कम्युनिटी रियली अप्रिशिएटेड दिस. और लोगों ने आके बोला कि आपने आज ये प्लेटफॉर्म खड़ा किया है हमारे कम्युनिटी के लड़कियों के लिए कि वो अपने ड्रीम्स को भी परस्यू कर पाए, उनको जो करना है लाइफ में आगे वो कर पाए. एंड वी एज पेरेंट्स, वी आर देयर टू सपोर्ट यू बिकॉज आपके पेरेंट्स ने हमेशा आपका साथ दिया है थ्रू आउट द जर्नी. सो आई बिलीव समवेयर ये जो इच्छा था मिस इंडिया बनने का, ये इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग था कि रिस्क होगा या मे बी आई शुड नॉट डू दिस थिंग, ये कभी थॉट मन में आया नहीं.
You know what inspired me the most about your story is that your father was very keen on you becoming an actress or you coming into the beauty pageant industry. Now, I'll tell you an honest story. I spoke to 2-3 boys of this. The Smriti Mandana thing happened. Smriti Mandana was about to get married, and just one day before, they both separated. We don't know the real story. It's their private life and they want to keep it that way. But there are a lot of point of views that Smriti Mandhana before World Cup and after World Cup, obviously her life has changed. Same नहीं है, मतलब the fame she's got is amazing. अब I spoke to 3-4 boys who are between the age of 24 to 30, living in a city like Gurgaon and working, and according to me, forward mindset. And I said, would you want a girlfriend who's Miss India? I didn't take any name. And all three said no.
Oh.
And I asked all three of them. The common answer was, we wouldn't want the spotlight and we would want to keep our life private. We are private people and all of this. However, it's my opinion, I could be wrong. What I could hear was कि अगर कोई मिस इंडिया होगी तो कल को फ्यूचर में एक्ट्रेस भी हो सकती है. तो इन द सोशल स्टेचर और इन पॉपुलैरिटी विल बी
True.
higher than us. And we don't want to deal with that.
Oh.
Is this still happens?
See, I believe Miss India बनना एक responsibility है. Because आप एक public figure बन जाते हो. Everything that you do now, the world is watching you. So you need a partner who is very supportive. और जो आपके सक्सेस पे प्राउड फील कर सके. अगर आप इंटिमिडेट हो रहे हो किसी के सक्सेस से, देन देयर इज गोइंग टू बी एन इशू. सो if you can get intimidated by somebody else's success, then yes, dating a Miss India is not a thing for you. Or maybe any other girl who is in the public figure. But if you can support your girl, if you can be there with her throughout her journey, because Miss India बनना बाहर से सबको the glamour industry दिखता है, but then back end पे there is a lot of mental and emotional support that a girl needs throughout this journey. So if you can provide your girl that, only then this is going to be a long-term relationship. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि उसके सक्सेस के वजह से लोग मुझे नहीं जानेंगे, then that is going to be an issue. Because I believe in India, लड़कों को initially हमेशा अपने मम्मी के या अपने वाइफ के नाम से जाना जाता था. हम हमेशा बोलते हैं राधा कृष्णा, सिया राम, क्योंकि पुराने ज़माने में लड़के कभी इंटिमिडेट नहीं होते थे अपने वाइफ के. प्राउड होते थे. दे ऑलवेज फेल्ट प्राउड. सो आई बिलीव अगर हम अपने रूट्स से कनेक्ट हो जाए तो मे बी वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट द फेमिनाइन एनर्जी इज more powerful, I would say, because हर किसी को the softness and kindness has to be there in each and every individual. और वो softness और kindness ही है जो आपको आगे बढ़ने के लिए drive देता है. So if you can appreciate that, only then you can have a person who is into the public industry.
So now you must be having friends in the same industry. Do they face this problem that men are
I have not come across any situation as of yet.
Not you, but
No, I have not heard it as well.
Okay, got it. Maybe you want to stay away from this question. No, that's all right. And tell me one more thing. Long back, 30, 40 years, this industry as well as acting industry, sometime we club these, there used to be a lot of talks about immoral things happening or casting couch, and it's not easy. Now that I would say the rules of morality has changed over the years, do you think it still exists or now people accept it the way of life?
Casting couch is still real in today's day and time. It happens in both modeling and acting industry. I have heard a lot of cases in modeling industry because मैंने अभी तक acting कुछ pursue किया नहीं है, but yes, in modeling, these cases still come up. But here I feel I have always felt protected because I came with a background of karate. तो कराटे ने हमेशा मुझे वो voice दिया है to stay away from all of these and to be rooted with my values and morals. In this case, I somewhere believe this thing happens from both the sides. एक पर्सन इनिशिएट नहीं कर रहा है, आप भी कहीं ना कहीं उसके बातों में आ जा रहे हो, इसलिए ये चीज अभी भी एग्जिस्ट कर रही है. तो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपको इतने इजीली किसी के बातों में नहीं आना है. यू डोंट हैव टू गेट मैनिपुलेटेड जस्ट बिकॉज यू वांट टू गेट दैट रोल और जस्ट बिकॉज यू वांट टू गेट द शूट.
कोमल, एक बात बताओ, कैन और इज मोरालिटी अ हर्डल फॉर पीपल गेटिंग इनटू दिस इंडस्ट्री?
It is a very personal, it depends on person to person, I feel. अगर आपको वहाँ पे जाने की जिद इतनी ज़्यादा है कि आप सब चीज़ें सैक्रिफाइस करने के लिए रेडी हो, एंड अगर यू फील गुड इन योर हार्ट आफ्टर डूइंग इट, then okay, you can pursue. But for me, I am very true to my morals. मैं वो चीज़ें कभी भी क्रॉस नहीं करना चाहूँगी to achieve where I want to achieve. So I believe maybe ये thought की वजह से कुछ hurdles आएंगे मेरे journey में, but then if I am true to what my values are, what my morals are, I will meet the right person at the right time and the doors will open for me as well.
So what is your advice to girls who are looking at this career, and advice to their families in what to train their girls in if they want to pursue this industry and want to stay away from the exploitation?
So with family, I would say कि अपने लड़की को, या in fact your son as well, believe in your child. सबसे पहले तो उनके ड्रीम्स को बिलीव करो, सपोर्ट देयर ड्रीम्स. एंड टू द पर्सन हु वांट्स टू गेट इनटू द इंडस्ट्री, आई वुड से कि मैनिपुलेट ना होना किसी से इतने जल्दी, बिकॉज ये इंडस्ट्री जितना आपको सक्सेस दे सकती है उतना ही जल्दी आपको गिरा भी सकती है. सो इफ़ यू नो वॉट यू स्टैंड फॉर, अगर आपको पता है कि ये बाउंड्री मैंने ड्रॉ किया है, इसको मैं क्रॉस नहीं करूँगी, एंड यू आर वेरी एडमेंट कि नहीं, वो लक्ष्मण रेखा को क्रॉस नहीं करना है, सो यू विल ओनली हैव सक्सेस इन फ्यूचर. और ये सारी जो नेगेटिव चीज़ें हम सुनते हैं इंडस्ट्री के बारे में, यू वुड नेवर हैव टू फेस दिस. सो बी वेरी ट्रू, बी वेरी जेन्युइन टू वॉट योर पेरेंट्स हैव टॉट यू.
Now tell me one thing, this has been a tough journey, right? Not that easy. Any success, nothing comes easy. Was there any time where you said, ab nahi hoga?
This was a situation actually before I filled out the form for Miss Earth India, because last year I participated in Femina Miss India and I did not get selected in the auditions, and at that point it really broke my heart. I felt that maybe मुझे जो कम्युनिटी के लिए खड़ा होना है, मे बी जो मुझे वॉइस करना है मेरी चीज़ें, कुछ और रास्ता निकल आएगा. मे बी पैजेंट्री इज़ नॉट वर्किंग आउट फॉर मी. So before filling out the form, I was a bit confused that should I get into it or should I not. But then, as I said, I had really great mentors who supported me throughout the journey. So when I spoke to one of my mentors that, sir, I don't feel I'm ready to get into this now. So that's when he told me that you are getting into this to be a voice for your community and to share your story. So he just told me a simple question, why are you not ready? Because you have a story, you have an experience that you want to put out to the world. So I took his words really seriously. I filled out the form, went out for the competition, and the rest is history.
So what is that one phrase or sentence or word you say to yourself when you say ki abhi nahi hoga, and then how do you get up? What is that sentence you say to yourself?
So I believe in Radha Krishna a lot, and मैंने कृष्णा का एक कोट पढ़ा था कि सब कुछ सही हो रहा है, गलत सिर्फ इसलिए लग रहा है क्योंकि तुम्हारे हिसाब से नहीं हो रहा है. So this is something that really touched me, that everything is happening, तुम्हारे लिए वो सही टाइमिंग पे हो रहा है. With God's grace, everything will happen at the right time. You just have to surrender to the Supreme.
So that's what you do every time you get stuck.
Yeah.
Komal, tell us about your journey of Miss India Earth.
So as I said, registration हो गया, form fill कर लिया. Then after filling the form, we had to go to Chandigarh. Now in Chandigarh, all over India से लड़कियाँ compete कर रही थी for the title of Miss Earth India. It was a pageant of 2 to 3 weeks, every day we were given some or the other tasks. And the tasks were majorly related to environmental stuff. That what things will you do to prevent the environment? We had to make videos, we have to put in actual work. And then towards the end, finale ka preparation hota tha. That
How many girls were?
there were 17 girls for the national title
Okay.
from all over India. And towards the end, the preparation was only focused on the finale. कि आपको finale stage पे कैसे walk करना है, what are the things you have to do in the finale. And that's how the competition at Miss Earth India was held. Now, after Miss Earth India, I had a month to prepare and go for the international.
Only a month.
Only a month. So I was crowned on 19th of September, and on 20th October was my first day in Philippines.
Okay.
And मेरी हमेशा से एक इच्छा थी कि अगर मैं मिस इंडिया बन गई तो मैं सबसे पहले बरसाना जाके राधा रानी को थैंक यू बोलूँगी.
तो गए या नहीं गए?
गई. Because this competition was held in Chandigarh, तो यहाँ से बरसाना जाना बहुत accessible था. It was very near. So after I got crowned, the same day I told my mentors at the Divine Foundation, जिनके अंडर मिस अर्थ इंडिया आता है, तो मैंने उसी दिन इनको बोला था that I will be going to Barsana and then only I'll go back to home and we will plan our homecoming. But we had some official submissions which were to be sent at Philippines. तो कंपटीशन के बाद 2 दिन मुझे रुकना पड़ा वहीं पर चंडीगढ़ में. Then I went to Barsana. I was there in Barsana for 2 days. And then I came back to Pune. मेरा वहाँ पे homecoming हुआ. Everything happened. So ये पूरे चीज़ों में 1 हफ्ता was gone. Now I had 3 weeks to prepare for the international. And there were still some video submissions that I had to do. Photo shoots कराने थे, videos कराने थे, because this year was the silver year of Miss Earth.
Okay.
तो उनका silver lining advocacy था, उसका video submit करना था, introduction videos होते हैं, then there are a lot of photo shoots जो photos आपको देने होते हैं. So then all of these videos, photos, again a week went in this. Now again the pageant is coming close and I have to figure out my outfits throughout the pageant. I had no stylist for this. I had no team, to be honest. तो जो भी सारा preparation हुआ है to go for international, it was all on me to figure out मेरे everyday looks क्या होंगे, what outfit do I wear, what makeup do I do with it, what hair do I do with it. Because pageants में ये सारी चीज़ें करने के लिए there has to be a dedicated team so that the girl can focus on her preparation. उसका जो work preparation है, communication preparation है, लड़कियाँ उस पे focus करती हैं and the team in the background focuses on the other stuff. But I did not have any team, तो मेरा पूरा focus इसी पे था क्योंकि इंडिया को represent कर रही थी मैं. It was no more कोमल representing. तो इंडिया को represent करना it was a huge responsibility और हर एक छोटी से छोटी चीज़ I wanted to make sure कि वो perfect हो. Because वहाँ पे country का नाम जा रहा है. It is not me. So then the entire 2 weeks, I was only focused on how I will present myself at Miss Earth. ये सब चीज़ों में मैं अपने सेल्फ प्रिपरेशन पे थोड़ा सा कम ध्यान दे पाई, बट जितना भी मैं कर पाई इन 2 हफ्तों में, I did it my best. I tried to make sure that each and every aspect I'm able to cover and make sure that I represent my best self at the international platform.
Quite a journey, right? Now, tell me one thing. Some girls, when they're standing over there, you can see that certain things are fake. What is one fake thing you don't like?
I don't like when girls pretend to say something that they have not achieved. अपने फेक अचीवमेंट्स आप किसी और को बता रहे हो जस्ट टू गेट देयर अटेंशन इज समथिंग दैट आई डोंट रियली अप्रिशिएट.
पता चल जाता है
बात करते
करते.
अगर आप जैसे कि मैंने आपको पिछला एग्जांपल दिया कि आप किसी शूट का एग्जांपल दे रहे हो,
which you haven't done.
Yes. अगर आपने वो चीज़ नहीं की है तो आप मैनिफेस्ट करो कि वो चीज़ आप कभी ना कभी लाइफ में कर पाओगे. बट टू फेक इट, I don't think that is something the way you should look at your life.
And are you okay with media attention and all of this coming on to you? Right now, are you enjoying it or what is it?
Everybody loves attention, to be honest. And I am somebody who did not get a lot of attention all these years.
Okay.
और मुझे चाहिए था वो अटेंशन बिकॉज माई मोटिव अल्टीमेटली वो कि आज अगर मुझे अटेंशन मिलेगा तभी मैं वो चीज़ वो डोर्स ओपन कर पाऊंगी फॉर द गर्ल्स यंगर जनरेशन जिनके लिए ये डोर्स क्लोज्ड है. तो अगर आज मुझे अटेंशन मिलेगा तभी जाके मैं वो ऑडियंस को रीच कर पाऊंगी, वो पेरेंट्स को रीच कर पाऊंगी जो अपने डॉटर्स को अभी भी शादियों तक ही लिमिट कर रहे हैं.
सीमित रखते हैं. Okay. So you don't plan to get married?
Not soon.
Not soon, but
Someday, yes, obviously.
and you don't see your career being hindrance.
Not at all.
Not at all. You'll find a man like your father.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Tell me one more thing. That you're into karate, right? कभी ऐसे नहीं सोचा कि मुझे कराटे को मतलब इंडिया को कराटे में रिप्रेजेंट करना है?
I wanted to do that, but I would say कि मैं as an athlete अपने आप को इतना ready नहीं कर पाई because there came a point in my life where because of my lack of training, I would say I got my knee injured. तो वो knee injury से recover होने के लिए it took me a year. And then after the recovery, I was a bit hesitant कि कहीं ये वापस ना हो जाए. तो वो हेजिटेशन की वजह से कहीं ना कहीं मैं अपना 100% नहीं दे पाई कराटे में. दैट्स वाई आई फील रिप्रेजेंटिंग इंडिया एज एन एथलीट वो सपना मेरा पूरा नहीं हो पाया. बट देन टू रिप्रेजेंट द कंट्री इंटरनेशनली हैज ऑलवेज बीन अ थिंग
which is being
डन राइट नाउ.
done right now. Now tell me one thing. We've heard that a lot of people, to stay slim, I would say, a lot of they do illegal substances or have weird diets and all of that. Is that true?
It is very true in modeling industry, I would say, because कुछ स्टैंडर्ड्स है जो लोगों ने अपने आप के लिए बनाए हुए हैं और कुछ लोग हैं जो वो स्टैंडर्ड्स को कॉपी करना चाह रहे हैं. So in this process there are a lot of things that people should not do. As a nutritionist, I have learned about these things in my subjects. तो एनोरेक्सिया करके एक डिजीज होती है.
जब बिल्कुल भूखा रखो,
भूखा रखते हैं अपने आप को एंड देन द बॉडी रिजेक्ट्स वॉट एवर फूड दैट यू ईट. सो अ लॉट ऑफ मॉडल्स आई हैव सीन हैव बिकम एनोरेक्सिक. उनको वो फियर हो गया है कि मैं कुछ भी खा लूँ
तो बाहर आ जाएगा.
Yes. तो they try to starve themselves. Then there are a lot of fat diets कि जूस ही पी रहे हैं, सैलड्स ही खा रहे हैं. बट कहीं ना कहीं ये चीज़ समझना ज़रूरी है कि ये फैट डाइट्स अल्टीमेटली आपके हेल्थ को इम्पैक्ट करने वाले हैं.
You don't follow those.
Not at all.
Luckily, your core is of an athlete and your
Yeah.
core is of a nutritionist.
Yes.
You haven't fallen for these yet.
No. And I don't plan to fall for these fat diets ever.
Ever. Because this is trouble, right?
Yeah, it is.
Now, tell me one thing. How do you plan to deal with the tough time is going to start now? You know, given you might be thinking of getting into acting or that industry, you've reached a place. You achieved what you've achieved. Now, the next place is either acting or modeling. Modeling has a shorter lifespan.
Correct.
Acting has a longer lifespan. How are you envisioning that journey now?
So now my focus is on preparing for the journey. Because modeling मैंने कर लिया है for whatever 2 to 3 years that I've done. Now acting is completely different than modeling. तो अभी my focus is to prepare for it, to learn what acting is. Acting के sets और modeling के sets काफ़ी different होते हैं. So to learn the technicalities of acting is something that I want to focus on right now. And one thing I've always followed कि कितना भी आप successful हो जाओ, you always have to stay grounded. Because if the success goes into your head, then it is only going to lead you to your downfall. तो बस to stay grounded, to stay as humble as possible and only to focus on your hard work and put in your efforts. तो ये कुछ principles है जिन पे मैं अभी काम करूँगी and let's see what the future has for me.
Are you being able to spend time with your friends and
Yes.
you are?
Yes. Yes.
But the way the last 3 months have been for you.
The last 3 months were very difficult. तब फ्रेंड से मिलना तो बहुत दूर की बात है, मैं फैमिली को टाइम नहीं दे पा रही थी बिकॉज तब माई कंप्लीट फोकस वॉज ऑन इंडिया, रिप्रेजेंटिंग इंडिया. एंड माई फैमिली हैज़ बीन वेरी सपोर्टिव. तो थ्रू आउट द जर्नी दे ऑल्सो सपोर्टेड दैट येस अभी हम सबका फोकस उसके प्रिपरेशन पे होना चाहिए rather than to distract her in some or the other way. So 3 months, yes, I was not able to have proper conversations with anybody. But now that I have come back to India with all the experience that I had in Philippines, I am focusing on to make time for my friends and for my family and to share the experiences that I have had there.
आपको पता है आपका करियर स्लाइट डायरेक्शन में गया तो जैसे पिछले 3 महीने गए ऐसे ही अगले 30 साल है. Are you ready for
I
it?
am ready for it now, yes.
Like you won't have time for friends, family, anybody.
Yes.
You're clear about it.
I am very clear about it because I know what I'm getting into it. मैं blank दिमाग से नहीं एंटर कर रही हूँ ये इंडस्ट्री में. मुझे पता है कि ये इंडस्ट्री के क्या पॉजिटिव्स है, क्या नेगेटिव्स है. And if I decide to get into it, then yes, I am going to get into it. Then the other things won't matter to me.
आप ये नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव बता दो इस इंडस्ट्री के so that people who want to get into they should know.
So the negative, the very big thing is the casting couch. ये मॉडलिंग एक्टिंग इंडस्ट्री में होता ही है. The other thing is to not get influenced by somebody else. किसी की बातों में ना आ जाना, मैनिपुलेट ना हो जाना. पॉजिटिव्स ये इंडस्ट्री के काफ़ी सारे हैं. अगर आप एक्टिंग में जा रहे हो तो आप अपने अलग अलग इमोशंस को पोर्ट्रे कर पा रहे हो. यू गेट अ प्लेटफॉर्म टू प्ले डिफरेंट रोल्स. आप कभी देशभक्त का रोल कर रहे हो तो कभी आप एक ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री का रोल कर रहे हो. यू गेट टू नो मोर अबाउट योर सेल्फ व्हेन यू आर इन एन एक्टिंग जर्नी. सो आई फील कि अगर आपको अपने आप को और जानना है और अगर आप वो चीज़ को कैमरा के सामने पोर्ट्रे कर पा रहे हो देन येस एक्टिंग इज समथिंग विच इज़ अ फील्ड फॉर यू.
And how's the money when you start modeling in the initial days? हमें आगे का तो पता है जब when you're successful बहुत पैसे बनेंगे. Then we talk about crores. But the initial struggling days, how's the money and how do people sustain themselves?
So initially when we
Financially,
start,
I mean.
as a fresher, we are being told that because you are a fresher, you will have to do collaboration shoots, जिसके लिए पेमेंट नहीं होता है. It is a collaboration. And ऐसे बोला जाता है कि when you do collaborations, आपका portfolio build होगा, you'll have a set of pictures, जो आप आगे in future clients को pitch कर पाओगे. I feel fresher models should not fall for this trap because I fell for it. And for a very long time, I was doing collaboration shoots
Without
because,
taking any money.
Yes, because there was nobody to tell me कि कोई payment करने वाला है. Now, whatever portfolio that you have is enough. Now you should pitch financially as well. So this is an advice that I did not receive for a very long time, and I was doing a lot of collaboration shoots. I was doing shoots which did not pay very much. It was a very less pay, like 3,000 to 4,000 for one shoot, and it is an entire day of shoot. तो shoot hours होते थे 8 to 12 hours. But मुझे initial stage पे लगता था कि maybe this is how the industry is. But जैसे जैसे मैं आगे बढ़ते गई, I understood that fresher models को ये trap में फंसाया जाता है. There is somebody else who is getting their
The
pay,
money.
and the model is working for free there. So I would suggest to all the fresher models to do maybe 1-2 collaboration shoots, have a set of 3 to 5 pictures, and then start working in the industry, start to think about it as a financial thing as well. Not to do collaborations or less payment shoots throughout the journey. Because in the industry, there are clients who are there to pay you. You just have to reach the right amount of people.
मोस्टली ऐसे कहते हैं ना कि जो बड़े ब्रांड्स होते हैं वो पे नहीं करते.
बड़े ब्रांड्स पे करते हैं, बट देन आपको पता होना चाहिए कि उनसे कैसे बात करना है, कैसे उनसे डील करना है, कैसे नेगोशिएट करना है. सो व्हेन आई टॉक टू अ पर्सन, आई focus.
Not now, not after the title. After the title, everybody will be good to you. Before the title.
So before the title as well, मुझे पता था कि मैंने अच्छे ब्रांड्स के साथ काम किया है, तो जब मैं किसी न्यू पर्सन से बात कर रही होती थी, सो देन जो भी मेरा पोर्टफोलियो है, आई यूज टू एक्सप्लेन इट टू देम कि दीज आर द ब्रांड्स दैट आई वर्कड फॉर, ये चीज़ें वेबसाइट पे गई है, ये चीज़ें उनके इंस्टाग्राम पे गई है, दिस इज द एक्सपोजर दैट द ब्रांड हैज़ गॉटन बिकॉज ऑफ मी, इतना अटेंशन मैं ला पाई हूँ वो ब्रांड के लिए. So then if I work for you, I will be able to do the same thing for your brand as well. So this is how the usual pitch starts. और ये चीज़ आप तभी कर पाओगे जब आपको पता होगा कि आपकी वैल्यू क्या है.
वैल्यू क्या है और आपने काम क्या किया है.
Correct.
Okay. Now, one more thing, very unique, which I've noticed. You already have a India title, and you're in the glamour world. आजकल तो ऐसा होता है कि कोई भी आदमी अपने आप को इन्फ्लुएंसर समझ लेता है, 2 रील बना के, वीडियो बना के, बट यू नॉट स्पेंड टू मच टाइम ऑन योर सोशल मीडिया, एंड विदाउट दैट यू मेड इट वेयर यू आर. हाउ इज दैट पॉसिबल?
सो सोशल मीडिया ने काफ़ी ग्रो किया है अभी. पीपल आर मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोज ट्राइंग टू गेट फेमस, बट कहीं ना कहीं जो वीडियोज लोग बना रहे हैं, इट इज़ ओनली विद द इंटेंशन टू गेट फेमस. मेरा इंटेंशन वॉज टू रीच द राइट अमाउंट ऑफ पीपल एंड टू लीव अ लेगेसी बिहाइंड, कि कहीं ना कहीं मेरे वजह से किसी एक लड़की के घर में वो डोर्स ओपन हो जाए. और ये चीज़ मैं पहले नहीं करना चाहती थी बिकॉज वो प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं था मेरे पास कि लोग आके मुझे सुने.
बट कौन, एक बात बताओ, लोग तो बोलते हैं वहाँ पहुँचने के लिए भी पीपल लुक एट योर इंस्टा और दे लुक एट योर लिंक्डइन, तो आपसे नहीं मांगा उन्होंने आपका प्रोफाइल?
इंस्टाग्राम के फॉलोअर्स मैटर करते हैं सिर्फ वो पैजेंट को अटेंशन में लाने के लिए.
ओके.
से इफ अ पर्सन हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ फॉलोअर्स और अगर वो पैजेंट जर्नी में है, एंड इफ दैट गर्ल इज रेगुलरली पोस्टिंग कि आज ये एक्टिविटी हुआ, वो एक्टिविटी हुआ, yes, the pageant will get a lot of attention उसके followers से. But then जो लड़की जीत रही है टाइटल, वो अपने जर्नी के वजह से जीत रही है.
उसका कोई लेना देना नहीं.
No, the followers there does not matter.
Now this is a big myth.
Yeah, it is a myth because आप what your thoughts are is something that is going to make you win the title.
Now do you think you will spend time on building your?
Yes, because now my focus is to work on my advocacy more. As I said, मुझे millets को globally लेके जाना है. So not only millets, Indian wellness को मुझे globally लेके जाना है because India is a country which is given yoga to the world. और हम Indians ही योगा नहीं कर रहे हैं जब Westerners योगा Yes, I do.
Karate also, yoga also?
Yes.
Good.
जब Westerners योगा करते हैं तो उनको देख के then we think that yes, we should do it. But कहीं ना कहीं वी शुड रियलाइज कि ये सारी चीज़ें हमेशा से इंडिया में थी, बट हम ही बोलते जा रहे हैं हमारा कल्चर क्या है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ वेस्टर्नर्स वी आर मे बी ट्राइंग टू गेट इंस्पायर्ड बाय व्हाट इज ऑलरेडी बीन एग्जिस्टेड इन इंडिया ऑल ओवर द ईयर्स.
You know, when these lights are on, the camera is on, when this goes off and that goes off and people disappear and the makeup comes off and you're by your own. What's the difference?
I am the same person when I am in front of the camera and when I am off the camera. Because I feel that somewhere deep down एक चेंज लाने का जो पर्सपेक्टिव है वो हमेशा से मुझ में रहा है. सो व्हेन आई एम ऑफ कैमरा आई एम कॉन्स्टेंटली थिंकिंग कि मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ जिससे मे बी इफ आई कैन गेट अ चेंज in the country, in a community. So off camera, there are a lot of thoughts that are around these things. So I write what I want to achieve. I write the way how I want to achieve it. So these are the things I do off camera.
Okay. Any last thing for our viewers, especially girls who are looking at making it in this industry?
So for girls, I would say that believe in your dreams. If you believe in your dreams, only then people will acknowledge it and only then people will support it. Have complete belief in yourself. Have no doubt at any point. And I would also request parents to support their daughters because अगर एक लड़की के पास support होता है then she can achieve a lot of things in her life. अगर वो अकेली है तो कहीं ना कहीं it becomes difficult. So I would want parents to support their girls with everything that they have and believe in their daughters and just see the magic your girl will do.
Okay, Komal, thank you so much. I'm sure this conversation will help a lot of men and women who are looking to make a career in this industry and open the eyes of a lot of people who thought this industry is some other way that they think.
Thank you so much for having me. It was a pleasure to be here. It was a pleasure to share my thoughts in front of you, and you heard it very peacefully, very patiently. So thank you so much for that as well.
Thank you, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody, for watching. I'm sure you must, if you've seen till now, you must have taken some value. Do like all our videos, do watch other videos, subscribe to our channel, और हमारे को ये भी बताते जाइए आपको और किस तरह के गेस्ट चाहिए जिनको हम बुलाएं, जिनको आप सुनना चाहेंगे. Thank you, thank you, thank you.